Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the region and currency in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the region and currency button. And you can search for your region, or you can just scroll down and find it. These are the ones that are available for this application. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then the region as well as the currency is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.